Hi guys, my name is Ogo and I'm from Geekline, and in our today's podcast I'm going to present you not a new but one old product with a new integration. So this is our time schedule product, and now we have integrated also credit card payments in it. So I hope you remember our demonstration page. Today I'm going to demonstrate from my local host, because I would like to use test credit cards, not using my own credit card and exposing it on internet. But our demonstration, official demonstration page, demo.geekline is available. And also, if you click on the contact, you will see that here our time schedule calendar, time slot calendar is also available. And also here we have set up the online payments which are working. If you would like, you can try it by yourself. Of course, when you do some transfers, the transfer will be real from your credit card, and that's the purpose why I have put here some very low prices, very low amounts of money which would be transferred. But okay, let's start with our presentation. So here, also on the contact page, you can see the time slot calendar as you know it from my earlier presentations. And let us take next Monday. As we can see, here we have a couple of slots which are available, and the other are not available. Even if you click, nothing will happen. Let us take the first slot at 9 o'clock. So here are a couple of mandatory fields which have to be filled out. And let's say here, what name should I take? Let's take Ogo. So here, I have taken the same sections: Java, HTML, Python. You can see different prices moving here. Let's take Python, the most expensive course. And here some description. Now I see a bug here. The description is mentioned as a mandatory field, but it is actually optional. So it will be fixed very soon. And let me write something. So now we have to enter, as you can see, the Occupy button is still disabled. It will get enabled when we enter also our credit card details. I will take one test credit card which is recommended by Stripe, our partner, our payments provider partner, for testing purposes. Okay, so let's put here some digits. Actually, this Postlight Salve, this field is not available when you are working in production with a real credit card. So as you can see now, the Occupy button is enabled, so we can do our purchase. And now you can see we have successfully done it, and you see now the time slot is occupied. If we go in our dashboard and refresh the dashboard, so now we see here that on 13th we have some time slots which are occupied. And if we see the details of the time slot, we can see that some guy Ogo would like to have the Python course, and the information which he has put here. As you remember, earlier when I presented the time slot calendar, here you have the opportunity to delete this appointment if you don't like it, but we are not going to delete it, we are going to leave it. Just for refreshment, here in the dashboard, in the managing of the schedule instance, you are able to enable time slots. They turn green. You can also occupy them if you want. Of course, here there will be not necessary to enter some price, and also you can also disable them, of course, when they are occupied. And but I would like to go back on the settings of the schedule instance or schedule product. So here's the schedule, and we are going to the settings. And currently there is a slightly difference. So you remember the screen was the same earlier. Now we have here the prices also. So it means when we enter some new course, let's say Kotlin, now we have the opportunity here to enter some price. And this is the price what you are going to see when you take a look on your client calendar, when you of course when you upload the Timeslot calendar occasions, and then you go into your client side schedule calendar, and here when you open it, so now you can see Kotlin and you can see the price which we already entered. So this is more or less everything about the Timeslot calendar and the integration of the payments into it. You see it's pretty easy. The embedding of the Timeslot calendar is exactly the same as earlier. The one more thing which you have to do, you have to put your payment instance key. So that's all. As you remember, or as you probably have seen, earlier I have demonstrated our donations product and our commercial product. They also have payments integration. That's also there is the same game. So you go on the dashboard, you select the dashboard, and then you just have to copy your payments instance key number, and that's all. So the payments start working for you. Yeah, that's all for today. I hope you liked the presentation. I'm looking forward to see your comments and your recommendations, probably on our YouTube videos page, and yeah, hope to see you soon with our new products, new integration and new presentation. Thank you very much for your attention, and bye bye.